Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a project called Canteen Food Ordering System. We know that when a person is living in a room and unable to cook food by himself or themselves, they can just take a membership from a certain canteen. From that canteen, they will get the meal on a monthly basis. So, based on this concept, we have created this website, which is Canteen Food Ordering System. But the another thing in this project is that customers can place food items individually, like a food ordering. So they can have that particular item on a monthly basis, or they can take the meal plans, whatever. So both ways this project helps. So let's look at the flow diagram so that we have good understanding what's going on. This is the flow diagram of Canteen food ordering system. In this project we have three modules for admin, user and delivery boy. Admin is the person who runs a canteen. So in this project we have assigned some predefined login credential for as admin. So with those predefined login credentials, admin will log in. After logging into his account, admin will add the food categories available in the canteen, add the food items, and he can view the food items as well. And admin will add the meal plans. So here, when adding the meal plans, the how many months the food this plan is applicable and what is the price for this particular plan, admin will add, he can view those as well. Now let's move on to user. Users have to register by giving their name, email address, phone number, and other essential details. After successful registrations, users can log in with the email and password. After logging into their accounts, users can directly view all the food items that were added by the admin, or they can even search for the food items. Based on the search results, they can view the food items and they can add them into the cart. When they add the items into the cart, they can order it whenever they want, or they can even remove the food items from the cart as well. Now, when it comes to place order, users have to select either this food item need for one time, or this item they need for meal package. Meal package, like this particular food item, will be delivered to the address for the days they have selected. Like, users have to select how many days this food item should be delivered to their address. So they have to select, if they select one time, the food item will be delivered just for one time. And now after selecting the order type, so they will place the order by paying the relevant amount based on the order package type they have selected. So these orders will be sent to the admin. This in view orders page, admin can view the orders placed by the users. Admin can accept or reject the orders based on the situations or conditions. So after accepting the order, admin will make the order status as preparing or prepared. Based on the condition, the order status will be changed. So when it comes to assign delivery boys to order, we'll look at this once again. So for now we will go to delivery boy. Delivery boys have to register first by giving their details, like essential details such as name, email address, phone number, and other. After successful registrations, delivery boys can log in. After logging into their accounts and registration, now admin can able to assign orders to the delivery boys who ever registered in our website. So assign order to delivery boy will display the names of the delivery boys who ever register. So after assignment, delivery boys can view the orders which were assigned. We'll go to the delivery boy in few minutes. So now they will view the assigned orders. After viewing the orders, they will make the order as delivered. So users, when they will mark as received when their food item is received by them. So after, customers able to cancel the order as well in a view orders page. After receiving the food items, users can give reviews and rating for the particular item they have ordered. This is all about ordering system. Now users can even enroll for the plans, meal plans, which were added by the admin. As we have seen, admin plans, so meal plans will be displayed quarterly, half-yearly, monthly. So based on their requirement, they can enroll. So for the particular, these plans will have the meals, breakfast, lunch as well, so they will get the benefits for the enrollments as well. In this view profile page, users can view all their details, such as the details they have given, email and phone number, etc. And all the enrollments of meal plans will be also displayed in the view profiles page. This is all is the flow. So let's look at the actual website here. For the home page, we'll see that we have the food items displayed here. So they will even directly, customers or whoever using the page, they can select the food items, they will be added to cart. So in this view cart page, they will be displayed here. For making the further, process, like paying the amount, they have to register or log in. Based on the user, it will be. So now let's look at the flow. Admin in this project have default login credentials, as we have discussed here, username as admin and password as well admin. After logging to account, admin will add the food categories. Now, based on the meals, admin will add the food item. Now we have to upload the profile, picture of the meals. Admin will add it. The price for it, you can say some name. We have to select the types of categories. So meals, so quantity, one, you can say units, in the sense plate or a bowl, glass. Based on the food item, the quantity or units will be changed, packets, like that. Some description about it. Now food items added, you can see view food items. So admin here, they can even disable the food items with that, which will not be displayed to the user further. So now for this, we have to move on to next module. Users have to register first, as we have discussed. So we'll give some name. They have to log in with their email, password, phone number. They have to give their password and register. After successful registration, users can log in. So let's log in. Now they can view the food items here. These are the food items available currently. They can also view the ratings. This is the ratings and reviews for the food item. Now if they want the meal, they will enter the quantity, add to cart. Customers can view the cart. So this is the cart. These are the items added. So they can remove it. So if they want it for one-time order or they want as a meal package, they have to select here. For the meal package, if they have to select how many days they want this particular item as delivered. So if they select for 3 days this only order, they will select. So based on the meal price and the meal package, so for 2 days this particular meal will be served. So we can say we have to give the room details, like address, we can say it. Now card details, card number should be 16 digits. Name on card, we have to say CVV 3 digits and expiry date. Order, meal package order confirmed. So even in this way, the food item also will be ordered. So you can also make order, here on time order, same price. So but if this would be different scenario, there will be no days, it's only for one time order, so no need to mention. dates and all. This particular item will be delivered one time only. So all the details, card details, we have to give for payment. So order confirmed. Here we can see ordered. Now let's see in admin page the orders. As we have seen that in view orders page, admin can view the orders. This is one time order, and he can see mail package orders as well. Andhra mails were ordered, so this will be no accept or reject order things will be there, but this thing will be delivered for the particular customer every day based on the days they have selected. So in the view orders, they can accept or reject it, and so when they accept it, the admin will change the order status as like preparing after prepared. So let's move on to delivery boy now. Yeah, first of all, we have known that delivery boys have to register first, name, email, phone number, and password. After registration, now admin able to see the registered delivery boys in assignment. View orders. So view assigned orders, we have to say it's prepared now. So prepared, now we have to assign. So these are the delivery boys available, Derek and James. We will assign it to James first. So order is assigned. We can view this particular order in assign orders page. Delivery boys will log in into their accounts by giving them email address and password they have given while registration. They will see their my deliveries there. They can see the orders they have been assigned. So here we can see user name and the address details, date of the order, everything. So after giving the order to the customer, they will mark as delivered. Now let's move on to users. Let's look at once. In view ordered items, history. This was ordered. Enroll plans. Here we can see that this is the plans available currently. As we seen, admin will add the plans. These are the plans available currently. If there is any plan, so monthly plan price will be 30. You can say some validity for 30 days monthly. So these are the plans available. Customers can enroll for them as well. Let's look at it. Oops. Now they can view the plans and they can enroll. So they have to pay the amount. Card number they have to give 16 digits. Name on card Nancy, CVV, and expiry date. Enroll successfully. That's a good thing. This is all. You can see profile. In this profile, customers can see the details and the monthly plans they have. So in view order items, customers can see all the order. They will collect order status will be changed. Now they have to give rating. They can give when they want to give rating and review about it. So review was given, and in the history they can see all the items. So these are the plans they have enrolled in profile. They can see which are the things, and new package orders, which are the orders they have ordered. They can view here. This is all about Canteen food ordering system. Hope you guys understand. Thank you for watching.